Hey y'all, so I got another box. I'm just gonna do this until I figure out what I'm gonna do with my channel. Now it is a country we've had before a couple years ago, but it's different snacks. So we've got South Korea again, but they're different snacks. So, and of course I've got my little helper on the outside.
Hello.
Who's going to help me with this. Yeah, let me get to the page. There we go.
And I must say, like, the packaging is adorable on these snacks.
Yeah. So, we gonna get started. Crash landing. Ugh. Sorry, y'all. So we gonna try this again. Okay. First up, we've got churro snacks. I like the packaging. It's really cute.
Simple, but
And just, yeah, but it's really cute though. So it says to open it here. It smells like churros. It smells like fresh baked or what fried fresh. That's what I'm gonna say.
fresh fried churros.
Yeah,
I love churros.
smell that.
Smells a bit like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What it does.
And they look like little churros too. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They are crunchy. But really good.
Tell me they don't taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch though.
They kind of remind me of the cinnamon twist from Taco Bell.
But they taste better.
Yeah.
I love Taco Bell, no hate.
Oh no. Allie, can you throw that away from me? Allie. Dag nabbit! Sorry, I'm having to use my tablet because I forgot to get my memory card from my uncle.
Fun fact that churros are actually the band members of BTS's favorite snack. I don't blame them. Churros are awesome.
Next up, we've got custard cream cake. It's just one, so I'm going to split it in half for us.
Fun fact, French culinary techniques were foreign to Korea until 1988.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
They were banned?
No, they just weren't a thing.
No. Okay. I like the little cross section. Kind of looks like a lemon.
I think that makes it cute.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's really good. It's real soft.
It's like you can taste the lemon, but it's not.
Overpowering. It's real good now. This one I want to try so bad. So we're gonna do this one next.
Looks like a moon pie.
I think that's kind of what it is because it feels like one too. It's a choco pie banana flavored.
With marshmallow filling. Oh.
Looks like a moon pie too. And it breaks like a moon pie.
Both North and South Korea fell in love with choco pies when they first came out. They were even given to North Korean factory workers as work bonuses instead of cash.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. They taste like the moon pies too.
But when those laborers started really secretly trading the choco pies, North Korea leaders banned them out of fear of capitalism. That promoted hundreds of South Korean activists to take a stand by sending 10,000 choco pies over the border via balloon.
That's one way to do it. Okay, next we've got Cocoa Corn Puffs, which I'm gonna guess are like Cocoa Puffs. Okay.
I was saying, let me finish eating before we continue, woman.
Oh, well, I'm just showing it.
It was in the 1950s when American soldiers in the Korean War passed out their Hershey's chocolate rations to local children. That chocolate exploded in Korea. Since then, Korean chocolate companies have produced amazing cocoa treats that are totally different than anything in America.
Okay, at first, I thought this was a sticker on there, but it's not. It's actually just part of the packaging. I thought it was a sticker.
Still cute.
Yeah, it is. But I seriously thought it was a sticker I could just pull off. I like stickers. That was a lot of air, though.
Much like our snacks. It's chocolate coconut.
It don't look right. Okay.
Looks like a Cheeto.
Like a chocolate Cheeto.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's almost as soft as like the Cheetos Puffs. Those are
Not
good.
in your mouth.
Not in your hands.
Non-spawn.
Right.
They like chocolate over there.
Good, 'cause so do I.
But I think everyone likes chocolate. Practically.
Okay. Up next, we got these. These look amazing. I want to see how they taste. Truffle potato chips. I like the packaging. It looks cool.
Fun fact, black truffles are expensive. A quarter pound can cost over $2,000.
I'd heard that. Smell it.
Mushroomy.
I like mushrooms.
These
Okay,
are probably going to be all yours, though. I don't like mushrooms that much.
ready? 1, 2, 3. I love them. These are mine.
Yeah, they're yours. Then again, I don't like mushroom. They're okay, but not I'd eat a handful of.
I would.
They're all yours.
Get this out the way real quick. It's kind of in the way.
Ooh. Those are practically
These are like Pockies.
love Pockies.
Me too.
November 11th in Korea is Pepperoni Day. The name of that snack?
Pepperoni.
Yeah. Just as special as Valentine's Day.
Oh, cool.
Just the holiday entails friends and family exchanging the decadent sticks to show their love and appreciation for each other. Which you can't blame them because, like,
I think that might be like little rice things, like
crispy.
yeah. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
And this is their most popular one.
They kind of melted a little.
They ain't gonna be around long. I like the saltiness to it too, though.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This is all you.
What? Why me? Spice? Okay.
Okay, so this is gonna be all Allie. I can't. Medical issues will not allow me. So, it smells good though.
These aren't gonna last today, I already know it.
Go ahead.
Woo!
That spice got you? It's a good thing I handed them to you then. It creeped up on you, didn't it? It was just like... These look fun. I'm gonna butcher this. I know I am. But... okay, it's an attack. You okay over there?
That was my phone.
Oh.
Fell in my pocket.
Oh. It's Italian style cream cheese and ultra rich cream. That's like a cake or something. A cookie, a biscuit. I don't know. I'm about to get into it. Oh, I like the packaging, by the way. There it is. Okay. I like the packaging. I kind of messed up the packaging, but yeah. This is so cute. Oh, it's upside down.
March
Excuse me.
14th is White Day in South Korea. It's when men who received gifts on Valentine's and their Valentine's Day is returned the favor.
Okay.
Which I think that's sweet. But you should appreciate your partner every day.
Right. Okay. It. Be careful because it breaks apart real easily.
Okay.
I see it done broke apart on me, and that's half of it.
It broke on me too, don't feel bad.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I needed the sweet after that spice. I'm still gonna eat them. My body's gonna hate me later, but I'm still gonna eat them.
If you can't handle them, I know somebody who will eat them. I'm just saying. These are good. These are gonna get snatched. These are mine now.
I will fight you.
I ain't scared of no ghost. Mm. This feels freaking awesome.
Mm.
It kind of feels like jelly, but I know it's like
They're
gummies.
strawberry gummy.
Yeah. Oh,
Adore, you have it upside down.
do I?
Mm-hmm.
No. Also strawberry gummy right there.
Mm. Which gummy candy never lasts long in this house?
I came prepared. I like gummy candies.
We know.
They're soft. There's the back, there's the front, and it's squishy. Squishy, 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 squishy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm like a kid when it comes to gummy candies. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You can have the next ones. These are mine.
They're so soft. It's like a spoon. It's like a mouthful of Jello.
I know.
That's the best way I can describe it.
Okay. How you want to do this one, Alan?
Just hand it here.
Yeah. This next, excuse me. This next one's gonna be all Allie. For those of you who don't know, I cannot stand artificial grape. It makes me gag. So, I got a piece of gummy in my throat. It's sweet and sour chewy. Here, you open it, do what you do. I gotta get something to drink.
The packaging is cute. These kind of feel like softer now and later.
Sorry, y'all, I had that gummy stuck. Excuse me. Doesn't feel like it's unstuck yet.
Sorry, just trying to get this open is
Need help.
no. Dang.
It's you open it like gum, like a gum.
I
thing.
know, but this paper.
Is it giving you problems? You need me to help you? Okay. Let me see.
But you'll see what I'm talking about, though.
You like that?
Dang it. I haven't had enough caffeine today.
You didn't pull it completely around. Those are soft.
Like I said, there's like softer. They feel like softer now and later. A bit tart, but good.
Well, yeah, they're sweet and sour, chewy.
It's mostly sweet. They kind of taste like the grape Jolly Rancher.
Top of my nose itch, y'all. I'm sorry. And I have no way to edit this. So this is just going up just like this.
Non-edit.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they didn't put the little bag in there like they usually do.
Huh. I think that's it.
Yeah, that's gonna be it. So, alright, well.
Well, the box is already stuffed.
'Tis true. But anyways, so that's it. Alright. Anyways, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, click that bell icon, and I will try to get more videos up as soon as I can. Alright, love y'all.